Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Glassy Swell, you can call me Glassy Swell. And on Monday we just came back from the Isle of Wight and it was truly an amazing journey. Day 1, we drove to the ferry and weather was decent, snacks were solid, and yeah, our car went on a boat. It was the first time seeing that, but it was kind of cool, not gonna lie. Once we landed, we headed straight to the Needles, those rock formations by the sea, and we even took a boat to go see them up close. We got soaked, but it was 100% worth it. Then later we checked out a steam train, which was way more fun than I expected. It felt like going back in time, the seats, the smell, the everything, and plus, we even got to enjoy the ride. The trip was just so fun. Cool places, good weather, and lots to see and do. If you're thinking about visiting, go ahead, do it. It's totally worth it. And if you've already visited, please write down in the comments. Now, this video will continue on for a very long time, showing you all the places we went. But please enjoy and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Bye!